Microsoft started the first firmware update to remove Cortana from Harman Kardon Invoke this week, on March 10th. It will convert the device into a Bluetooth speaker. The update typically happens at night, from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Like it or not, let me see how it goes after the update.
Hey Cortana.
First of all, it does not respond to Hey Cortana. Also, tapping on the top has no voice response either. Okay, let me pair the device with my phone using Bluetooth. Go to Settings, Bluetooth. Ooh, what's that? Now press the Bluetooth button on the device. Yep, the device shows up on the phone. Tap on it. Okay, it's paired. Let me play a video on YouTube.
Okay, why don't you input the data and we'll take a look together. Hey Mari, what you got for me?
Turning the ring on the top still controls the volume. Tapping on the top pauses the playing now. Even if I turn the ring, I don't hear any sound. I'll have to go to the app to resume playing.
Look over here.
Challenge us with new ways of seeing. Deepen our understanding.
The mute button is disabled for this firmware update. The pinhole reset option is still functioning, but please don't do that, because it will disconnect the device from Wi-Fi. Once the device is disconnected, it will not be able to reconnect because the Cortana software is gone. The important point is that there will be more firmware updates until the end of July of this year to make the device functioning well as a Bluetooth device. So please try your best to keep the device online, including not to change the Wi-Fi and password. By the way, how's your Invoke after this firmware update? Please comment below. Thank you.